press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello friends, welcome to TechIndia. This is our tutorial 5th, and today we're gonna talk about tables, HTML tables. What is TR tag, what is TS tag, and what is TD tag, and how to align them and how to make border of them. Please make sure that you subscribe our channel. There will be a red button like this, and make sure you hit the bell icon. And let's start our HTML session 5th, and make sure you already seen them. Link will be in description. And let's come on. There is sneezy cold here. And TR tag, it is a tag which define table row, and this is TH tag which help you to define a table header, a table heading. And by default table heading is bold and centered. And here is one TD tag. Table data is defined with this. If you want to fill any kind of data in tables, it is with this. And let's start again. We did all document in this in 4th session. If you are new to this channel, please watch playlist. There will be a link in the description below, and please subscribe our channel. And I'm gonna start with style and table th. I'm just adding a space to make it more clear. And table, and then th td, and then make you sure that and border. This is because I am making a border, and just make it 3 pixel or any kind of variable like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the color you want, I want solid violet, and here it will be. And just make sure that you're doing this. And border, again border, and I'm just making that sure that collapse, just again collapse, and just close this one. This one is just because of border and border pixel. I'm just defining the border color, border collapse, and just show how border collapse. Border collapse means we are closing the border within this. And th, which I told you that it helps, it is table header, and just do it with this. And then sorry for that noise. And that padding, size of the cell what you want to display, and I'm just going it with what 8 pixel. You can type any as per your need, and 8 pixel. And just close this, and just close this again. Yep. And then I'm just table header. And what I gonna do here is where to align the text. Like I gonna make it align. Yep. And I gonna do that with right this side, guys. And right, and just close this. Oh my, sorry. And just close this, and then close this style. Wait, I just like I am just add style here, and I'm just closing. First I have to close this style because I want to display order in this way, this like, and just closing style. It is how it gonna represent. And next, coming to body, and here it is what we want. Table style, it will define the width and height what we want. We want height as it is, and just making sure that width is 100%, and just close, and just close this one. And next, I just told you that tr defines table row, and we're gonna add one row. And table heading, it is just first name, guys. And just close this one. Just a minute, let me silence this one. Just a minute, friends. And then returning to that, and then again table heading, like I gonna marks, like it's a school data, like. And then what we're gonna type, roll number, or what you want, like any kind of salary, like you wanna go with employees. And just closing table row, and this will represent in, guys, this way, like first name, marks, and then roll number. I'm just adding a row, and here it will be. And I just close row, and then next row will be here, like table data. By default, table heading is bold and in center, and table data, like my name is Akam, and just typing it in, and just closing td tag, and then marks, I'm just pasting, and then 100 out of 100, and then closing td, and then roll number, I'm just going that with d, just going that with td, and roll number like 9, and then just closing td. This is the data which will be shown in that rows, like first is heading, and if you wanna make one more, and just close this and make one more, like here it is, like anything, like anything, bill, and just close this. Marks td is 99 out of 100, and just closing the td, and td I just got 19th, and td, and make sure you are closing the tr tag. And this is how we are making this guy. And we just started with table style, and make sure, like we are adding one more, like adding one more row, and td, like anything, Melissa, like its name, and close the td, and open once again, and 12 out of 100, and just close the td, and roll number is, oh shit, sorry, roll number is 10, like just closing that. And this is our content of table. And we just started with th, first name, marks, roll number, and then we just typed our data of our table. And at last, just one thing, we are closing our table and closing our body. What we did here, guys, and oh, body is already closed here, and here it is. Save it, or save as. There's a problem like HTML. If you don't know why I'm saving this in HTML, make sure view the part first, second, third, fourth, and this one was till end, and you will understand why I'm using this .html. Yes, and just wait guys, and I just saved that, and .html. Just check this. Wait a minute, guys. Can you see? Wait, let me show you this one. Oh my goodness. Shit. Like we just started with we don't need you, and we just started with our color is solid violet, and our border pixels are 3 pixel, and border is collapsing after one row, and padding it's about 5 pixel, and here padding means the space between the cells, and text line it is alright. You can see that padding is alright, and let's do that again. Table style width is 100%, like it is showing on the whole page. If I just resize it, it will be shown in full page, right? Yes, you can see that. And here I just enter first name, and that's heading with TS tag, marks and roll number, and then TD is encompassing, and header out of header, and then roll number, and just closing that TR, and then again Melissa, Bill, and closing the table, body, and HTML. So guys, this is our session 5th, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please make sure you are liking this video if this has been any kind of way. And if you are new, please watch our playlist, link will be in description, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video guys. Thank you, and once again thanks.